Otherwise, it doesn't see. Yeah. And then the nose. Yeah. And then the mouth. Yay! There's a cat and a puss. What is it, baby? Baby. Kom, kom, kom. So nice, baby. Kijk eens. Oh, it's very cold.
Driving down the road that I grew up on once again. It's when I pass your door, the memories come back again. Pictures of us flooding back just like a wave. Makes me wonder what happened, what you're up to today. Remember when we stole your mother's car, we drove for days.
What do you?
Teenagers with too many feelings and rage.
Okay.
We were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only kept the time. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back when, way back when, way back when. Remember when my father taught us how to play guitar, and we started up a band in my garage.
Yeah.
We thought our dream would take us so far, but after a week or so it all just fell apart.
Yay.
But we were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time right now.
Hi guys, I'm bringing Jens to his play date right now. Come, Deacon. I'm letting him use his bike, guys. So it's a bit of exercise for him. Let's go. It's raining a little bit, but the sun is up. Yes, baby. Okay. That's for grote kinderen.
Ja, de grote meisje.
Ja.
De grote meisje fiets.
Ja.
De kinderfiets.
Yes. I thought it was raining, guys, but I think it's hail coming out of the sky like earlier. Yeah. Yeah.
Wat is hij?
Mm.
Yay!
Again, we're on these slope bikes. Yes, okay, I'm gonna wait for you. Right. All right, go. Op, wait lang. Crazy.
Nee.
It's snowing again, guys. Whoa. Come on. Hey, it's sunny again, guys.
Nee, stoppen, stoppen.
Stoppen, okay. Goed zo, baby. Is there an auto?
Ja.
Check. Check first. Okay. Good so. What a nice weather. I love it. 4 seasons in one day. Yes, pet mama, hello. Auni? Okay.
Hello.
Hello, Naruhi. Oh! We had to go to the swing, so again we were delayed. Oh, let's go! You know, baby, kay they're so big the hill. The fine, huh? Come. Okay, look, I know. We go there. I know, Palanga. We go.
Yay.
There's hail and there's sun, guys. Up, 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 up. Oh, let's go. Come. Come. I have to put this in, kay. Yeah, it's in your. Come. It's okay. We're almost there. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Come. Come. Yeah. You like the ice, huh? Here, guys. He just wants to stay outside because of the hail. Hi guys, I'm on my way home now. So I think from 12 o'clock onwards it's going to storm, so I need to walk really fast. Otherwise I'll be on the road. There are kids on the road. They said, hey, they wanted me to take a video of them, but I can't. Too bad. Wow, the weather just turned into a very nice sunny weather with a little clouds, a lot of sun. This is Holland. I love it. Okay guys, I need to pull up my sunglasses again. Because it's sunny. Oh, I love it. It's nice. So thank you for another walk with me, and yes guys, I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.